Eternal God, help Jarred and Amber to fulfill the promises they have made here today and to reflect your love and their commitment to each other. Give them kindness and patience, affection and understanding, happiness and contentment. May their family and friends continue to support them in difficult days so that their love for each other may continue to grow as long as they both shall live. As this couple has joined their lives in here today, it is important to understand that everyone present has played a part in shaping the characters of Amber and Jarred and will play a vital role in their continuing lives. And thus we are not only to witness their vows to each other, but also to bestow upon them our blessing. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be sheltered from the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will warm to each other. Now there will be no more loneliness, for each of you will accompany to the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead, and may your days together be good and long upon the earth. Amber and Jarred, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and all who are assembled here today, by the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
May y'all never lie, cheat, or drink. But if you must lie, lie with each other, preferably not on the dance floor. And if you must cheat, cheat down. And if you must drink, drink with us, for we all love you and wish you nothing but love and happiness. To Jarred and Amber, your fairy tale is only beginning. I love you guys. Cheers!
Wow!